Hello once again everybody, 11:21, 13 seconds, April 1st. This is the main drawing for the X-Men 12 8.0 purple label. Over here are the 26 filled spots. I'm going to roll the 3 dice. The number is a big number, it is 16. I'm going to randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. Very good chance I get it out this afternoon if I pass by the post office. Worst case scenario, it will ship tomorrow, Tuesday the 2nd. So best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here comes the final one. 16, spot 25, Chris Blancato. You got that from coming in second place in the final mini. Congratulations. Time is 11:22 and 15.